Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're going to take a look at this residential patio. So we have just basically a reclining seating area, and you can see that we have a doorway here with a fan, a couple of can lights up here. So those are our major things to be concerned about. You may also notice that the seating area is set back from that access point. And so let's go ahead and look at the dimensions. Dimensions that we have are roughly 17 feet by 12 feet. The height of the ceiling over here is about 8 feet, and this is another 4 to 5 inches taller. So there's a slope ceiling, and I think that's the only dimensions that we need to be concerned with. Now this prop light fan that I have here might be a little bit higher, so I don't have the true dimensions of that, but that's not that important at this point. Again, those can lighting features are important here, so I don't have them in here, but they physically are in the customer's application. You can see them here. So there's a couple different ways that we can heat a patio like this. We can use gas or electric. If we mount a gas heater up on the ceiling here, or even off to the side, the heater would have to minimally come down 17 inches, and that would be kind of intrusive, I think, and be too hot down below. So I'm going to look at using electric heaters, and there's two different choices that we can go with that. So here we have what they call the SlimLine 4000 watt unit, a single element. I think that'd be adequate for this application and its height. Let's see if I got that dimension on here. So go back here. So the dimensions, or the height, finished height on the bottom edge of this slimline would be 7 feet 2 inches. That's because we're at an angle, and we have a 6-inch clearance here and a 6-inch clearance in the back. So that's important to look at the ray that we have here. The ray would cover the majority of the outside edge of this patio. You can see that we're missing a great portion in here. Now this is a light wave that's coming off of this heater. It's not visible with the human eye, but it does continue to travel. But this is the perceived best output of the heater, so the most acceptable amount of heat that you can get. So if you're sitting out here, for instance, in a chair, you'll receive some of that heat, but it's not going to be the optimal. That's, I guess, the best way to say it. And what I have here is just the two heaters that are centered within these beams so that they look presentable. And I think I have roughly the dimension of the centers of 610. You can see here we'll have a nice crossover of ray in the middle, so this will be a rather warm spot here, which is fine. I believe this residence is up in Washington, so it's going to be some days a lot cooler than here where I live in Southern California. So that's with that option. Let's go ahead and turn that off, and we'll take a look at the heaters placed this direction. Now we obviously have to worry about the can lights up here. Not that this heater will affect the light itself, but or affect the can light itself. It'll just detract from its output of light. So we may have to move the heater over. Again, this is the same location, centered, 6'10", center of heater. But we could take the heater, and let's just say we move this heater, outside of the can light itself, and then we do a rotation. So we move it, say, 10 degrees, and then we get a nice ray hitting the center of the patio itself. It's not going to be optimal, but it does work. And when we do both of these from each other, let's just see what happens. Again, we'll go with the 10-degree. So as you can see here, there's nice crossover rays for this seating position here. And we're still hitting the chairs on the outside edge. Not quite that one. Let's go back. So this is with the heaters straight down, and this one's extended out. This one's not yet, so we do need to move that. This is another thing to think about when placing heaters. I'm going to come back in here. I think I can show this direction. Nope. Let's see. So what I wanted to show is looking out on the patio. Sorry about this. Hope you don't get seasick. Looking out on the patio from this direction, you only see the profile from this edge. Now I know there's a window over here, so you'll see that profile over here. But just to give you a perspective, this is the profile that you'll see most likely out looking from the reverse side here. I don't have this window created properly, so I can't go inside and look. With the heaters like this, you know, you'll see this whole profile here. You know, it doesn't look too bad from this direction, so maybe that's all you're really concerned about. Oops, if you turn off the ray, again, you won't see the ray, you'll just see the heater itself, even when they're on. So that would be the profile that you'd see there. All right, so that's the best option I can think of for this particular application. If you're looking for some assistance with your outdoor heating needs, please give us a call or just email us your information. I'm Steve Walton with patioheat.com and Tropic Heating. Thank you and have a great day.